To transfer money from PayPal to Western Union, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you must have a verified PayPal account and a Western Union account. If you do not have these accounts, you will need to create them and verify your identity. Start by logging into your PayPal account and clicking on the Withdraw Money option. Since PayPal does not directly support transfers to Western Union, you will need to transfer the money to your bank account. First, click on the Transfer to Bank Account option and enter the amount you want to transfer. Once the money is in your bank account, you can use Western Union's online service or visit a physical location to initiate the transfer. To use the online service, go to the Western Union website and click on the Send Money option. Enter the recipient's details, including their name and location, and select the payment method as bank account. You will then be prompted to enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Review the transfer details, including the amount and the recipient's information, and confirm the transfer. Alternatively, you can visit a Western Union location and provide the agent with your bank account details and the recipient's information. The agent will assist you in initiating the transfer. It is essential to note that Western Union charges a fee for the transfer, which will be deducted from the amount you are sending. To avoid any issues, ensure that your bank account and Western Union account are verified and that you have sufficient funds in your PayPal account. Additionally, be aware of the exchange rates and fees associated with the transfer, as they may vary depending on the location and the amount being sent. In conclusion, transferring money from PayPal to Western Union requires a few steps, including transferring the money from PayPal to your bank account and then using Western Union's online service or visiting a physical location to initiate the transfer. By following these steps and being aware of the fees and exchange rates, you can successfully transfer money from PayPal to Western Union.